Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Mechanic. I'm Brian, your go-to guide for all things automotive. Today, we're hitting the brakes on a problem that's common yet often overlooked. The mysterious case of a vibrating car when you step on the brake pedal. It's more than just an annoyance. It could be hinting at a deeper issue within your vehicle. So, strap in and prepare for a journey into the mechanics of your car as we explore the causes of this vibration and how to fix them. A leading cause of braking vibration is warped brake rotors. Now, what exactly are brake rotors? Picture them as the discs your brake pads squeeze onto in order to bring your vehicle to a halt. Over time, the intense heat generated during braking can cause these rotors to warp, especially if you're often braking hard. This warping creates an uneven surface, and when your brake pads clamp onto this unevenness, they apply pressure inconsistently. And guess what? This inconsistent pressure is what you're feeling as vibrations. Another common cause of vibrations during braking is worn brake pads. These unsung heroes of your braking system endure significant wear and tear. As they thin down, their ability to provide a smooth, even surface for the rotor to connect with diminishes. This leads to an uneven application of pressure on the rotor, which then translates into those pesky vibrations you feel when you hit the brakes. Regular inspection and timely replacement of brake pads are essential to prevent this issue. Sticking brake calipers can also lead to vibrations. Calipers are the components that push the brake pads against the rotors to halt your car. If a caliper doesn't release correctly, it can keep the pads partially engaged even when you're not braking. This continuous contact leads to uneven wear and, you guessed it, vibrations when braking. If you're dealing with a sticky caliper, it may need a good cleaning, some lubrication, or in more stubborn cases, a complete replacement. Calipers may need cleaning, lubrication, or in some cases, complete replacement. Issues with suspension and steering components, as well as wheel and tire issues, can also lead to vibrations. Worn-out shock absorbers, bushings, or other suspension components can fail to absorb road shocks effectively, causing noticeable vibrations during braking. Similarly, steering components, if not in prime condition, can contribute to the same problem. Now, let's talk about wheel and tire issues. Unbalanced wheels, misaligned tires, or tires with uneven wear can also cause vibrations. These issues generally affect the vehicle's handling and can become more pronounced during braking. So how do we prevent these issues? Regular tire maintenance is the key. This includes balancing rotation and alignment to ensure your tires are in top shape. Similarly, keeping an eye on your suspension and steering components and ensuring they're in good condition can go a long way in preventing vibrations and enhancing your driving experience. Regular inspections can help catch and rectify these issues before they worsen. Something as simple as loose lug nuts can lead to significant issues. If these aren't tightened properly, they can cause the wheel to wobble, creating vibrations, particularly noticeable when braking. Regular checks and proper torquing of lug nuts can prevent this problem. Figuring out the root cause takes some investigation, but here are some tips. Listen for brake wear squeaks. Check for wheel play indicating bad bearings. Examine the rotors for gouges or uneven wear. Upon identification, sand the rotors or replace worn parts. Just make sure you get the workspace and tools needed beforehand. That covers the main reasons why your car may vibrate when braking, from warped brake rotors and worn-out brake pads to sticking brake calipers and issues with your suspension, steering wheels, and tires. Not forgetting the importance of those small but mighty lug nuts. Remember, regular inspections and maintenance can help nip these problems in the bud, ensuring a smoother and safer ride. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any lingering questions. Happy to help.